Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to use the function called subtotal. Here I have a list of names and some zones like north, south, east, west, and some sales, target and difference. If you have to know the total of all these people, you will give alt equal to at the end, wherein it will select all the cells for which we need the sum together. And now the same is the case with the next cells too, and the same is the next case with this one too. So now let us see how to use a small function called subtotal, which will help us in many ways. So for that you have to type as is equal to subtotal, which is there already. Select that, and then here you have average, count, count A, max, min, product, and many other functions. The frequently used one is sum, which is 9. So for that I am giving 9, comma, and what are all the cells for which you want the total to be displayed. I am not taking the last line because that is the total, so I am taking till the previous one, and then just give enter. So once you give this, it gives the total. So I am just copying the formula to the other cells as well. Now what is the difference between the total and subtotal, because both numbers are similar. Now if I filter here with zones, maybe example east, and give enter, the number comes up as 190. This is nothing but the total of all the cells which are currently being filtered. So every time when we filter and we have to check the total, we will always select the cells and come down, and here we can see like there is some number coming up, and then we'll assume okay, this is a number. But this subtotal formula helps you to know what is the total which is currently there present in our screen after making all the filters. Here if you still have some doubts, we'll filter some G. So 2 people, so the 2 people's total is 196 and comes up here. This is very much effective for using a large sized file. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. Let's meet up in next video. Thank you.